National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Fox Point to Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee.
Severe thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm warning for southern Milwaukee County and southeastern Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Milwaukee to near Oak Creek, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, West Allis, Wauwatosa, Greenfield, Oak Creek, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Greendale, St. Francis, West Milwaukee, Franklin, Milwaukee Hohen Bridge, Shorewood, Marquette University, Milwaukee, Mitchell Park Domes, Anthem Field, Milwaukee South Shore Park, and Mayor Festival Park. Other landmarks included are the following locations: General Mitchell International Airport and Pfister Forum.
Pfister
For your
Forum.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. Strong thunderstorms will impact southwestern Ozaukee, Milwaukee, Waukesha, and southeastern Washington counties through 6:45 p.m.